Ilang segundo bago ang banggaan ng People's Liberation Army Navy Destroyer 164 at Chinese Coast Guard Vessel 3104. Makikita sa harap ng CCG vessel ang ilang tauhan nito na naglalagay ng fender sa unahan ng barko. Pagkatapos nito, hindi na nakita ang mga CCG personnel. Hindi malinaw kung tumilapon o naipit ang mga ito. Ito rin ang dahilan kaya nag-alok ng tulong ang Philippine Coast Guard sa Chinese Coast Guard.
Immediately after impact, wala na tayong nakitang 4 na tao doon sa harapan ng barko. So that is the reason why the Philippine Coast Guard offered our assistance because we were assuming na mayroong na went overboard because of the impact, and there is also a possibility na nagkaroon ng injury itong mga Chinese Coast Guard na nandun sa harapan prior the collision.
Pero bago umalis sa lugar ang BRP Suluan Lunes ng hapon, na-monitor ang mga barko ng CCG na tila nagsasagawa ng search sa lugar ng insidente.
We saw that some of the Chinese Coast Guard vessels who were also in the vicinity launched their own rigid hull inflatable boat, and they appeared to be searching for something or somebody, no? So we assumed that there was search and rescue that was conducted yesterday.
Ganito rin ang napansin ng Sea Light Director at Maritime Law Expert na si Ray Powell. Base sa kanyang monitoring, pagkatapos ng banggaan noong Lunes, nagsagawa ng search pattern ng CCG at Maritime Militia Vessel 15 to 25 nautical miles silangan ng Bajo de Masinloc. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pang kumpirmasyon mula sa China kung may nasugatan o casualty sa kanilang mga tauhan. Maging ang Department of National Defense, wala pang natatanggap na ulat ukol dito.
Every conversation with their officials is strictly controlled by the censorship that their government imposes, not only on their officials but their own people. Wala pa akong reports regarding that. Kung meron man tinamaan, kasalanan nila yun.
Sa lakas ng impact ng banggaan, UP ang malaking bahagi ng unahan ng CCG vessel na hindi na kayang maglayag mag-isa. Huling na-monitor ang CCG 3104 Lunes ng gabi na sinusubukang hilain palayo sa Bajo de Masinloc.
We would like to believe na ang 3104 was actually towed or supported by the other China Coast Guard vessels para makaalis siya. Obviously, it does not have any more capability na tumakbong mag-isa unless atras siya all the way, no? Kasi hindi naman na siya pwedeng dumiretso dahil sasalupin niya na yung tubig. So I think it was already it is already being towed by the Chinese Coast Guard.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.